Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I need to mount my new key holder right here by the front door, just so my life is a little more organized. So first and foremost, let's do that. Hammer and a nail. In no unordinary fashion, we are low on gas, approaching pretty dang close to empty. So to the gas station we go. Excuse me, Corolla. Camry, that's a Camry. Now for anybody out here visiting in Orange County or Southern California in general, you're here on a little vacation because it is Easter Sunday, which by the way, happy Easter Sunday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. But on behalf of Orange County, I am sorry for the weather. Swoop. Just another day here at the Tesla Service Center. Oh, hey, what do you know? Another Tesla getting towed in. Bummer. So we are here at my cargo van right now because I need to grab a couple of tools that will help me wrap the outside of my grill. The grill border trim piece here is finally getting wrapped in the satin dark gray, the same color as the rest of the truck. You guys might also notice something a little different about the side of my truck. I had the sudden urge to remove my side steps last night after work. So I took the 8 bolts off of both sides of the truck that hold the side steps on. We no longer have side steps or anything getting in the way of me stepping into my truck with ease, and just like that, bam, we are in. But yeah, that's happened. That's happening today. And we also have one more thing going down. You guys have been telling me to do it for quite some time now. It's going to completely change the way the truck looks. So we're doing that in a bit, but first let me grab some tools out of my van and we'll be on our way. Alright, got the truck inside. Let's go next door and see what the temp pros are up to. What's cracking, Freddie?
I don't want to be late actor today.
You don't want to be an actor today?
No.
No feature?
No.
Okay, alright. Well, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel like every time I come here on a Saturday, you're laying in the back seat putting a rear window tint in. Yeah, man. So I'm here. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna wrap my grill today finally.
Awesome, bro.
Then on top of that, we got one more little thing happening too.
We don't want to scratch custom scars.
Mm-hmm.
So
you pre-cut it using a plotter.
Yep.
Nice.
Never let the film touch the floor. Make that dirt scratch. So keep rolling it.
All right, so back to work. I need to remove the front bumper in order to remove the front grille. Kind of like that. What do you guys think? Front bumper and grill delete? Leave it off? Comment below. Let me know. I'm just kidding. But anyways, the grill trim has been wrapped. We have the grill inserts here, and this is the front bumper cap. The next phase of what we're doing today is going to entail removing the air deflector here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws. And then this plastic piece will be coming off, and we are going to have insane amounts of front end ground clearance. Let's put that there. And then the grill trim is going to go just like that. That looks so much better. What? Wow. So it's kind of looking like you could possibly remove this with the bumper still on the truck. Obviously, it's going to be a lot easier just removing it. So it looks like this plastic assembly here is going to need to come off, which is 2 screws, so I can access these screws because there is no room to access them without having this removed. So let's get that taken off. 13 screws later, and the air deflector is off the truck. Look how worked this thing is. You guys see how scratched it is? Yeah, this thing serves not a whole lot of purpose on an all-terrain package. All right, truck's all done. Wrapped up the grill, took off the lower air diffuser there, and the truck is sitting really aggressive now. I'm stoked on the way it came out. Let's move some cars around real quick, push some cars out, move some cars in, and then we will do a little viewing of the truck outside. So. You guys want to see Raptor insanity right now? We have the 2019 Ford Raptor Shelby Baja Edition. This thing is nuts. I don't know a whole lot about it, but this thing is just madness. Everything you're seeing comes from the factory this way. So all the bumpers, light bars, we got light bars in the grill, mud terrain tires. It's got a nice like metallic black finish to it. Top inside, check it out too. Got automatic steps. Got Baja Raptor everywhere, as you do in a truck of this level. Got 505 miles on it. This thing is so sick. Now in an ordinary fashion, my truck is absolutely caked, so let's give this thing a wash really quick. We are out here just before the sun is setting, so I'm gonna give you guys a first-hand look at the new and improved Canyon. Guys, look at this thing. I can't believe I haven't listened until today. I know you guys have been telling me to remove the air deflector. It's gonna make it look way more aggressive, gives it more of a pre-runner look. I don't know why I haven't listened until today. My favorite part about this too is now you can see from the front end my my all-terrain tires, which looks really cool from the front end. You can see it all the way through. I love that. I've also connected the satin dark gray hood with the satin dark gray bumper by wrapping the grill piece here. I left it black before because I thought it would look good, but I've decided to leave the grill inserts gloss black as well as the bumper cap. I like the way that sits. Now I also have another idea I'm thinking. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about orange mirror caps and then orange sponsors running down the side of my truck. I might do that, I might not. I might do sponsors in gloss black just to keep it all subtle and stealth. But I really want an accent color, so let me know what you guys think about orange on the mirror caps, like a matte or a satin orange on the mirror caps with the exact same finish as on the sides there and sponsored. So let me know what you guys think about that, but I am sitting here just in shock. I can't believe the difference this made, just removing that air dam. That's all I got for you guys today though. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Follow the truck on Instagram, Sterling_Canyon. I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.